Hey guys, what's up? Matt here. This is just a tip, just for a minute. We're just gonna see how it feels, so don't click away. If you're a salesperson and you wanna know how to transition from either a 1 call close or a 2 call close. What we're gonna do is talk about what are we trying to get out of a 1 call close and what are we trying to get out of a 2 call close. 1 call close is people are coming in, they're coming through a qualified funnel and they're being disqualified, and we want to get the sale on that first call. So we have to take the person through the entire process, okay? I'll link that sales process video down below. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna find the problem. We're gonna get the what, which is the tangible they get when they solve the problem. We're gonna get the why, which is the emotional payoff for getting the what. And then we're gonna take them through a commitment, and then we're gonna get the action, which is the change, right? And also the consequence, okay? So we're gonna do all those things, and we're gonna take them through that on 1 call. Now we have to have somewhat pre-qualified, pre-vetted leads. There has to be some conditional logic on the front end in order to make sure that we're not just like crazy booked out. Now the reason why we do a 2 call close is because instead of that conditional logic on the marketing side, we put them into a sales process, okay? So what we do on a 2 call close is on that first call close, we basically find the problem, then ask some questions. So we do some connection phase, right? A little bit of rapport building, figure out why they're there, and make sure that their problem matches up with our solution. Once we figure out what their problem is, then we ask them a couple of key and targeted questions. Like, for example, can you give me an example of give me some insight into what the decision-making process is within your business, okay? Or do you have any capital in your business so that you can do X, Y, Z, okay? So we find out a couple of qualifying questions, then we push them through to a 2nd call. We leave off at the problem, so then we recap the problem on the 2nd call and start straight into the solution, okay? And that's not our solution, that's the solution that they want. So that is just the tip, that's it. 1 call close, 2 call close. All right, guys, bye.